What's up guys? I'm Patrick. Today I'm going to clean my summer tire and wheel setup. I have the raised Graham Lights 57DR'S, and I'm also going to put on the center caps because originally the tire shop that put them on crooked, and they didn't line up the center cap with the raised wheels logo on the actual rim. So I'm going to try out the Code Red active wheel cleaner. This is supposed to basically eat away at all the iron and brake dust that's all embedded in the wheels. So we're going to show before and after of what the wheel looks like. Then we'll do a quick time lapse of getting the wheels back on. So I got the raised center caps here. I'm gonna put them on again and center them with the raised wheels logo. Gonna line it up. That looks pretty good. And there we go. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got the wheels back on. Everything looks great and clean. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more adventure and car content.